Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can name a lobby on Among Us. It's pretty simple. So most people do not know this, but whatever your in-game username is, your lobby name is going to be that. So you cannot change your lobby name, it's going to be chosen automatic. So in my case, I can click on my account and click on account. And my name is Wise Maiden. So whichever lobby I create, the lobby's name is going to be Wise Maiden. I cannot change it. If I want to change my lobby's name, I need to change my username over here. So what I can do is click on change name over here. Now whatever name you want for your lobby, make sure you write that. So let's say I want my lobby name to be this. Lobby underscore underscore. Okay, so you cannot use underscore. So I'm going to write lobby Kevin. Click on confirm. Now my username has changed, which means if I create a lobby, by that I mean if I host a game, the lobby name will be called lobby Kevin. I can click on play, click on online, click on create a game and host a game over here by clicking confirm, and the lobby name is going to be my username lobby Kevin. So change your username and your lobby name will also be changed. So that is how you guys can change your lobby name on Among Us. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.